Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Sign in to account. Microsoft. Calm and view your account activity and suspension notice. Review the exact reason listed for suspension and the date it began. Note the email addresses, device names, and IP addresses used to sign in recently. Take screenshots of the suspension message and any error codes shown for your records. Write down any recent actions that might have triggered the suspension within the last 30 days. Keep this information handy for the appeals and support steps that follow. Gather proof of identity like a driver's license and the exact email used to sign in. Prepare a clear timeline of recent activity and steps you took before suspension occurred. Include screenshots, device names, and any error codes in your documentation for clarity. Remove any ambiguous or potentially violating content from linked services before you appeal. Draft a concise explanation under 250 words describing why the suspension is incorrect or has been resolved. Use the Microsoft account support form and attach your documentation in a single submission. Make sure to use the exact suspended email and reference any error codes present. Expect a response within 7 to 14 days and check spam folders for replies. If you receive a generic denial, reply asking for specific evidence and request further review. Use support chat or call Microsoft support to escalate if needed and ask for a supervisor. Keep logging all correspondence and follow up every 3 to 5 days until resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.